Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw a Song. Today we're drawing a happy apple and a silly banana from the song Apples and Bananas Parade. In this video, it's all about music and giggles. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and singing, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Alright, now here comes Apples and Bananas Parade. Let's draw and sing together. Can you draw an apple? Can you color a banana? Can you draw the music? Can you color the rhythm?
Yes!
Clap, clap, snap, snap. Draw that beat.
Tap, tap, clap, clap, pencils on the page. We're drawing friends to put them on the stage. Color bright, hearts feel light. It's an apples and bananas parade tonight. I start drawing an apple with a big wide grin. Color it bright and the fun rolls in. The apple says, hi, let's dance and play. We're drawing a world where we jam all day. I draw a banana with a bendy laugh. Color it sunny, oh, we're doing math. One apple plus banana, what do we get? A band so cool, it's the best one yet. Draw, 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 apples and bananas. Color, color bright, join the singing crew. Draw, 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 lines and little shapes. Color every beat till the song shines through. Draw, 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 apples and bananas. Color with your heart, color with your smile. Draw, 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 keep the rhythm moving. Color all the joy, let's groove in style. We're drawing a map to a picnic show. Color the path so our friends will know. The apple is the drummer with a rolling beat. The banana plays guitar with dancing feet. They march through the kitchen, step in time. We color the music with a happy rhyme. We're drawing tickets with stars so bright. Color all the edges, tonight's our night. Draw, 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 apples and bananas. Color, color bright, join the singing crew. Draw, 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 lines and little shapes. Color every beat till the song shines through. Draw, 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 apples and bananas. Color with your heart, color with your smile. Draw, 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 keep the rhythm moving. Color all the joy, let's groove in style. The apple says friends bring markers too. We're drawing posters for the whole town crew. The banana shouts color bold and fun. We shade in the letters till the work is done. A little doodle, a little swirl. We color a crown for a fruit band girl. We're drawing confetti, pop, pop, pop. Color raining down and we just can't stop. Can you draw an apple? Yes, we can. Can you color a banana? Yes, we can. Can you draw the music with our hands? Can you color the rhythm like a band? Clap, clap, snap, snap, draw that beat. Color, color, move your feet. Draw and color side by side. Apples and bananas lead the ride. We're drawing a stage with a shining glow. Color in the spotlight, ready, set, go. The apple counts 1, 2, 3. The banana strums a happy melody. Friends all cheer and we sing along. We color the chorus, we finish the song. We're drawing memories to keep all year. Color them bright so they stay right here. Draw, 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 apples and bananas. Color, color bright, sing it loud and true. Draw, 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 lines and little shapes. Color every beat till the song shines through. Draw, 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 apples and bananas. Color with your heart, color with your smile. Draw, 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 parade keeps rolling. Color all the love, mile after mile. Draw, 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 apples and bananas. Draw, 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 color this day with a hip, hip, hooray.
Draw and color, side by side. Apples and bananas lead the ride. did amazing! Today we drew a happy apple and a silly banana and sang together. And if you love drawing and singing, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw a Song. See you next time, friends! Bye!